Today we're going to be installing a third brake light. Now the new third brake light is from Joy Tutus. I will have a link down in the description below for this exact third brake light and anything else you may find on their website. The reason why I'm replacing this, I purchased this off Amazon about a year ago. It's already faulty, it's not working properly. And the installation process of this is very, very simple. All you need is a Phillips head screwdriver and your new third brake light. That's all it takes. You want to remove this screw here and this screw here and pull this out, and there'll be a plug behind it. Now you may have to pry yours like I did to get it off, but once you get it off, there's just a plug behind it. You remove this plug just like so. That's all there is to it. Now we'll set that off to the side. Here's our new third brake light. I think this is going to look a lot better, even nicer. It comes with some new screws for you just to bolt that in. Now you want to plug in your new harness, which is this right here. Snaps in just like that. You're going to tuck your relay and the rest of your wires into the hole. Make sure everything lines up good, and reinstall your hardware, and you're good to go. Now you do want to make sure that you tighten these screws down quite a bit, just because there is a gasket behind here. You want to make sure that is flush with the cab, that way you don't have any leaks. Now we can test it out and make sure it works. Now that you've ensured everything works on the new third brake light, you're all set. Clean up whatever tools or whatever you're using, and enjoy your new light. Thanks for watching, guys.
Yeah, it's a hot day. I'm hanging in the sunshine. You should hit me with the splash gun so I cool down. Won't you come on over? We can party till the sun's down.